Can you really buy a single family Chandler home in the low 400s? I'm Scott Graff with Team Graff at Real Broker. Welcome to 923 West Mesquite Street in Chandler, Arizona. Located in North Chandler, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home boasts an incredible floor plan with a family room, living room, and a layout that enables you to decide how to use the space. Step out back to your own oasis with a sparkling pool, grass area, and large seating space for entertaining. At just shy of 1,500 square feet, equipped with a 2-car garage, plenty of space for extra cars, no HOA, this home is ready for your personal touch and updating. Some TLC is needed, and for the right buyer, an opportunity awaits. An awesome opportunity at $425,000. Wouldn't you agree? For a private tour, give me a call at 602-989-7900. For more information, visit us at teamgraff.com. I'm Scott Graff. Thank you for touring this charming Chandler home with me.